In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Audition for free. First, you'll see an option that says Free Trial. Click on that. There are three options: individual, business, and students and teachers. If you want to use Audition on a single device, go with the individual plan. For multiple devices, choose the business plan. As an individual user, I'll choose the individual option, which gives you a 14-day free trial. After that, click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Fill out the required information, including your card details, but don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial ends. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud Download. Click on the first link and download Creative Cloud. Once the app is downloaded, install it and sign in with the email address you used to create your Adobe Creative Cloud account. After signing into the app, go to the App section where you'll see a collection of all Adobe software. Look for Audition, install it, and you're ready to start using it. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.